Sa darating na Thursday po, 1 p.m. Letran Lady Knights kontra San Sebastian Lady Stags. Dito lang po sa GMA News TV. Great serve that time from NU. Diaz gives up the free ball. Ruby De Leon, back set. Aiko Urdas. Condada, nakuha yung bola. Argarin, takbo na takbo itong mga taga-Perpetual.
In circles.
Oo. De Leon, Jaja, dinaan sa haba ng galamay. Jane Diaz. Hindi na nasagip yung bola.
Scrappy defense actually for Perpetual.
Right. 17-15. Lumamang na naman ang dalawa. Kanina lamang nakakuha na ng kalamangan itong Perpetual. Ayun, si Mina Aganon. Serving. Wala nung nag-serve si Aganon. Lumamang na naman itong kupunan ng NU. But that hugs the line. Service ace.
It looked like it was in.
Taasar siya sa kanyang sarili. Ito si Jane Diaz. Aganon once again. Condada. Combination. April Sartin. De Leon. Pablo. Condada. Ganda na nilalaro nitong Condada ngayon. As itong si Royce Tubino is able to score. Condada is keeping up with Jen Reyes pagdating sa digging at saka sa reception, ha?
So
yan, tingnan mo yan. Ganda.
Maganda sa attitude rin nila is parang walang takot.
Oo. Kwento nga ni Coach Mac Gepuela dito kay Condada. She used to be an open hitter.
Yeah.
Converted to libero. Atake. Yes, Myla Pablo. Dinadaan na talaga sa lakas.
Well, you know, I'm sure naman yung mga kids, as growing up, your dream is always volleyball, pero open hitter, middle hitter. Parang konti lang naman yung gusto ko maging libero. So these are converted players.
Yung libero from the start, yung dating libero ng UP, bata pa lang libero na. Si, name escapes me right now, Amanda Isada.
Oh, yeah,
Bata pa lang libero na siya. 1917. Si Denton Lazaro of Ateneo, libero youth team. All the way until college. 1917. De Leon. Din, nice dig this time by Diaz. Sabi naman ni Jaja, ako bala sa'yo, Achi. Tama ba sinabi ko?
Ganda, Achi.
Achi. And General seeing her first action of the game. Fatima General, serve specialist para sa NU. They are up by 3. 5 points away. (2017) Boing. Nakakabaliw yan, ano? Alam mo, ikaw serve specialist, pinasok at tinginan sa lahat ng tao. Di ba? Ikaw serve specialist, biglang point.
I've seen that in games na championship or important games, biglang the score, match point ka na eh. Tapos your serve specialist mag-net. Net.
Tapos nagkadaloko-loko na.
Hindi, talo na, bali.
Cases. Ganda naman ang diskarte. Totally fooling Din Santiago that time.
Yan ang veteran. Very smart.
At tingnan mo sino unang tumawag ng timeout dito. NU pa nga tumawag ng timeout despite the 1-point lead.
Nasa open. Ayla. Bakit pinapabayaan mo? Nakadalawang ba? Dapat naka-forward. Natago ka na naman ito.
Joy Cases. Siya yung isa sa mga namamayani ngayon para sa kupunan ng Perpetual. Habang hinahabol naman nila itong NU Lady Bulldogs. Ito po si Noel Zarate kasama si Noreen Go at si Rina Villamor from the arena. April Sartin. Ruby, hinulog na naman pero nandito si Jane Diaz. Sandra De Los Santos.
Wow, good save.
And Jen Reyes getting it across again. Cases. Wow, wala na mga kasalunon. Tabla tayo, 20-20.
Cases, no, has found the answer to this NU block.
At alam mo namang, pwede namang mangmama ito si Cases at any time. The oldest player on the floor for Perpetual. I can't say the oldest player in the game. That would be Ruby De Leon. De Leon. Here's Myla Pablo and that one goes wide. Lamang ang Perpetual. You do not want to give the defending NCAA champions any room for confidence dito.
That's right. And momentum.
Oo. Ngayon si April Sartin. Putting it in play. Reyes. De Leon. Running attack. Dindin. Wala na naman. 22-20. The errors are now starting to kill the Lady Bulldogs.
That's right.
Nagka-rabies sila bigla dahil sa errors.
Correct. No, that's what happens kung masyado ka nag-lax eh.
Distemper, parvo. De Leon. Yan!
Yan.
Yan yun. Quick hit for Dindin Santiago. Nagtataka nga rin ako, why they don't go to the quick hit more often habang nandiyan sa harapan si Dindin?
Well, of course, they want to use her also as a decoy, no? That's why si Ruby is able always to free up the open hitters.
Argarin, tinulak! Ay! Nakuha ni Sandra. Argarin, sinubukan ulit. De Leon, at that time, Sandra De Los Santos, nakita ko nung gagawin ni Dindin pero hindi niya napigilan. Tabla tayo, 22-22.
Medyo sumakit ata katawan ni Dindin sa baba ng net.
Oo.
ng set, sorry.
Well, si Dindin actually, she has a shoulder problem that she's nursing.
Hindi naman mukha.
Not in this game at least. Argarin. Joy Cases, yes!
Joy Cass is really just using her coconut.
Well, Joy Cases ngayon picking up the cudgels para dito kay Sandra De Los Santos. Kahit na nasa harapan pa si Sandra. Actually, huling rotation na ito ni Sandra sa harapan, ha? Hindi pa rin siya nakakahawak ng bola.
That's true.
Nice serve by Argarin. De Leon. Angled attack. Nice save by Condada, who's also playing very well. Dindin. And she scores.
So Ruby, going to her ace spiker when needed, obviously. Talaga ito yung no more playtime, really just business.
Yan. Nash to Howard na yung nangyayari dyan.
Correct.
23 all. Timeout perpetual.
Maganda rin si Bar.
Gusto lang guys ha.
Pwede mo na.
Tay, barbatuhan! Tay,
It's Fun Family Pizza's gotta be Shakey's. De Leon.
Good serve.
It's Jade Diaz now. Off-speed attack. Ruby. Dindin goes out. Set point for Perpetual.
Who would have thought after the first set that Perpetual will now have a set point?
Alam mo, lamang ng 6 ang NU sa set na to, ha? Nahabol, inunti-unti na Perpetual. And now, reigning MVP Sandra De Los Santos changing her serve. De Leon, Dindin, Argarin, Diaz for Royce Tubino. Going for one set. What a rally para dito sa Perps.
Yun ang sinasabi nila, bilog ang bola.
Right.
It's true. You just can't give another team any room for, you said kanina, confidence, momentum.
Right, and you have to remember that these are the defending champions of the NCAA, and they have shown us why they are the defending champions. Shake and play. Unang pasok ni Royce Tubino, resulta kaagad para sa Lady Altas.